Hey everybody, and a super happy Friday to you all. I'm going to have to be quite quick here because I'm leaving for work soon, but oh my god, I am so excited for this weekend. So this week it's really warmed up in Penticton and we're finally getting that like Okanagan warmth, and yeah, today's like scheduled to be 25, 26, tomorrow 26, 27, Sunday like 25, and then it just continues next week. So I'm so excited, as you can probably imagine. So I'm working today. I'm going to meet Rich for lunch and we're going to have the dogs with us while we're going to get some like a sandwich from somewhere. Sorry, I'm like rushing so I feel like I can't talk properly. Yeah, so we're going to meet for lunch, grab a sandwich. Then after work, Rich and I are going to go to like a patio outdoors somewhere, and then we're going to the Penticton Vees Hockey Game tonight with my dad. So my dad's going to pick us up from the patio on the way to the hockey game. Tomorrow we are just going to have an all-day barbecue because it's going to be so nice. We need to go do a bit of shopping for the barbecue, and we need to go to Canadian Tire tomorrow to get me a life jacket because on Sunday we're going to go out on the lake for the first time. So I'm going to go on my paddleboard and Rich is going to go on the kayak, and we're so excited to do that. And then Sunday afternoon we're probably going to go out for a patio lunch somewhere with my mum and dad. So a really fun weekend. I'm so excited, and yeah, can't wait to take you along with me. And I am now just going to quickly go back to Thursday from this clip because yesterday it was a really lovely evening. We had a barbecue and then we went for a walk down on Scarha Lake, and it was just so beautiful down there that I wanted to include it in the weekend vlog. So let's go back to Thursday just for a couple minutes, well maybe not even a couple of minutes, I think it was like 30 seconds, but let's quickly go back to Thursday and then we'll get on with the weekend. Bye! So it's not the weekend yet, it's Thursday. We've just had a barbecue and we're just taking the dogs out for a walk at Scarha Lake, and look how beautiful it is. I'm so grateful that this is home. And then on this side you have all these greenery. My mum used to bring me and my brother for picnics here. It's just so nice. It's been a gorgeous day, and tomorrow's going to be 24 degrees and then 26, maybe 27 on Saturday. Yay!
We're being cold.
Hi, just water. Make a sandwich. Artichoke vegan sandwich and some Greek salad. Having lunch together. This is our view. So much nicer than all lunch together in London. Sitting on the grass. Loving life. So this is the little hooded Merganser restaurant, part of the hotel, which is here. And that over there, that big patio, that's the Barking Parrot, and that's where me and Rich are going after work. Woo! Work let us out early, half an hour early. It's the weekend, it's so nice. Yay! The Go Vees Go up at the hotel. Rich is walking from home, it's going to take him a while, so I'm going to go and get a little spot in the sunshine and just sit there for a bit, and then when he's not too far away I will get a table outside at the Parrot. But if I go there now I'm going to be waiting there on my own for quite a long time, so I will just soak up the sun for a bit. Yeah, look, there's the Go Vees Go, and I'm wearing blue, of course. This hotel, me and Rich stayed here in May 2019. That's the first time we both came to Penticton together. So yeah, let's go find a spot in the sun. Something that's so nice here is I've done this my whole life. I just like smile whenever I'm passing a stranger, and sometimes in the UK people would smile back, but here everybody smiles back. It's just nice to be nice, isn't it? I just love it down here. This is where we were not too long ago with the dogs. And I'm trying to be a little bit better at vlogging in public. I don't really like it facing my face yet, but we're getting better. I don't know how long I'm gonna last here. There's flies everywhere. But yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting for Rich. He thinks he's gonna be like 20 minutes, but the Google Maps says his walk is still like a 35-minute walk. So I don't think he's gonna get here in 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But yeah, let me show you my view. It's so nice. You can probably see the flies though. They're kind of annoying. So I don't know whether to go to the barking parrot now, because when I walked past there was like hardly any tables free. I don't know if it's going to get better at 5 or worse, but Rich is still a long way off. I just don't know what to do. But either way, I'm having a great day. I'm so glad that work let us out early. I think everybody just wants to get out and enjoy the weather. And yeah, I'm just feeling so happy and blessed and grateful. I love my life and I'm so grateful for it. You lose. Did you run?
Huh?
Did you run?
No.
Yeah, you did.
Well, I did down the hill because you can't have to.
I just got white wine. Nom 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 nom. We had a great time.
Oh, you're recording? Wow.
We had a good time at Barking Parrot, didn't we?
Yeah, it's nice there.
And now
Nice
we're
view.
going off to the Vees game, and look at how beautiful it is. Stunning. Yay! So beautiful. Rich is thirsty. So nice out. Ah! So beautiful. I can't believe we live here. So lucky, so blessed. This is where me and Rich are going to live one day, in this beautiful house. So cute. This is a bit that really reminds me of my childhood with all these trees.
He's still about 3/4.
Childhood memories right here. Oh, I love it so much. Time for hockey. Woo! Go Vees, go!
That's everything, thank you.
Hey, so the game's over, the Vees won, yay! And as is usually our tradition after a Vees game, we are at, can you see the little famous orange lights? We're at A&W, woo! Not having too much because obviously me and Rich had some food at the Barking Parrot, but as you will see from my takeout box, which is something I reference that they do in Canada all the time, I have a lot of pickle fries left over, so I didn't actually eat all that much of what we ordered at the Barking Parrot. But yeah, really fun game. Vees won. Every Vees game we've been to, they've always won. And yeah, we're just gonna have some A&W together, have like a little bit of a chat. Sorry, I'm trying to like, oh, hello. What are you doing?
Door closes at 9.
No. Saturday morning. My work got me a Starbucks gift card, so we're just using that to get breakfast. They're awful. And then we're going to go pick up some stuff from Canadian Tire and get stuff for the barbecue. I got cut off in the car last night because Dad and Rich came back in the car. But yeah, we just enjoyed it. A&W and went home. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. Bye. We're going to the Canadian staple, Dollarama. My mum always used to come to Dollarama when we used to come to Canada. Let's go. I'm just going to film everything on my phone today because I can't be bothered to get the camera. It's just easier. So this is where we're set up for the day. There's my mum already in the sun, and now we're just going to go and prep some stuff like sangria. Woo! So punchy in the face. Bean salad is made up and it's absolutely delicious. This is the life. So something we always do when we have a barbecue, we haven't done it in Canada yet, but we used to always do it in the UK, is make sangria. So these have been in the freezer chilling. And I also wanted to show you what I got from Dollarama. Dollarama, to me, in my opinion, is really similar to B&M in the UK. So I got this really nice plate. These two pitcher jugs. I got this serving plate, which is really nice. And then, oh yeah, I got this like silicone kind of spoon. And I got this plate too, and that all came to like $21, which I think is really cheap. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Anyway, I need to make sangria. I will show you the steps. Okay, the first thing we do when we make our own sangria is we chop up apples and oranges.
Now, the important step is you need to take these little stickers off. Otherwise you have a very weird taste in sangria.
Okay, so our little apples and oranges are in there. We always make sure we save a couple of slices for our glass. This is the pre-made sangria that we're going to mix in there. And then we've got 2 bottles of this Malbec and Merlot blend. The lady at BC Liquor Store said that would be good for sangria.
There's no real Spanish wines here, are there?
Yeah, you can buy them, but they're like expensive, whereas these were like $9 each.
Cheap,
yeah.
This?
So Rich is going to pour the mixer in first. Then we're going to add the 2 bottles.
There's no better sound out of it.
Crystal fake. Next one's going in.
You say twist of fate? Oh, that's the name.
Yeah,
of the
that's
wine,
the name of the wine.
You have cinnamon sticks?
Yeah, and I was going to say we need to add cinnamon sticks, brandy, lemonade and orange juice.
Do you have brandy?
Yeah. Okay, so we will come back in a sec when we add our brandy, cinnamon sticks, lemonade and orange juice. Rich started pouring some lemonade in before I was filming, but we really don't put that much in, that'll be enough. Brandy.
Whoa, someone's going to get me wasted.
No, we don't need more orange, we just need orange juice now. Okay, orange juice is going in. That'll do. And now we just need to add our cinnamon sticks. In they go. Woo!
Stone intuition. This is alcoholics intuition. We don't have ice packs. So it's just a bit of ice in a sandwich bag. Double wrap it. In it goes.
Yay!
The airiness is going to keep it to the top, but it doesn't matter. It's still cook all up.
And that's essentially how we make our sangria. And now we're going to put it on its little stand, pour it and taste it. Yay! And there you have it. It's all made up. And now we're going to have it and taste it. Yum. Feel like I'm on holiday. Rich is cutting his chicken. The girls can smell it, can't they? And then here we have our veggies. This side is vegetarian, and then this side is for the meat eaters. This isn't all mine, but this side is for people that eat meat, because obviously the chicken's cooked on this side, and I will only eat off of this side. But yeah, look how beautiful it is. Let's have a look at what does it say? Oh look, it's passing 30 degrees on there. Can't really see it that much, but yeah, look, it says it's almost 30 degrees. Yay! So unfortunately the weather's not really good enough to go out on the lake, so we're going to go and do that after work one night this week instead. But because we want to get out, we're going to go on a hike. I'm not sure where we're going, but yeah, that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to have another barbecue because we hardly cooked any of our food yesterday. Okay, so this is where we are, Ellis Creek and Canyon View. We're very, very high up. You can see all the mountains over there. Yeah, let's go see what the travel's like.
Down for a sec.
So there's Okanagan Lake. That's Giant's Head.
Yeah.
Mountain views. It's just so quiet.
Very quiet.
We aren't going to do the full trail because of this little one here. I don't think you should be able to. But yeah, nice views. Super nice. Olé! Mountains. It's just so empty. All these. Look at the view over there. There we go. That's a view. Oh, Molly. There you go.
Yeah, that's a ranch.
Is it? Or is it a forest fire? It looks like a forest fire.
It's a ranch, though.
Fair enough. The way back, there's much more work than the way down. You're kind of going up on the way back. Yeah, so we definitely want to come back and do this trail all the way on our own. It's just not really. The dogs can't do the whole trail, it's too much for them. So they're only little. And we're back at the car park. So yeah, really enjoyed that. Definitely one that we're going to come back and do the whole trail of on our own. But yeah, I think they enjoyed it too. Look at Molly. Aww. Okay, we're going to go home and barbecue again. I might film, I might not. If I do, wait. Yeah, maybe see you when we're barbecuing. If not, hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you next weekend. Bye. No, it wasn't a wildfire, it literally says that prescribed.
Told you.
I'll take you on some of the drive down. So I'm just editing this back and I think I need to start filming outros for my vlogs because I feel like they just kind of end really abruptly. Yeah, I think they just need a little bit of a sign off, so I'm going to start doing that from now on. But yeah, like I'm just watching this all back as I edit it. So today as I'm editing, it's Wednesday, May 3rd. So this is now a few days ago. And just looking back on it, this was such a nice weekend. I think it's probably my favourite weekend we've had since we've moved out here. I just really enjoyed it and I loved looking back and watching it, and yeah, it's just so nice to have the memories of it. So I hope you enjoyed this weekend. It was definitely a good one for us. And am I going to vlog this weekend? I might do. We're not doing as much this weekend because the weather has been really nice again all this week. It's nice tomorrow and Friday's nice, but then Saturday it goes back to not being quite so nice. So I don't know, I might vlog this weekend, but if I don't, I will see you the next weekend because we're going away somewhere, so we're gonna have a travel vlog. But anyway, I'm going off on a tangent as always. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe, and happy May, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.